So this week for our video, we had to create our own story problem and then solve and explain all the steps through it. And so my question was, if you have a rock that contained 600 grams of parent isotope and has a half-life of 25 million years, how old is the rock when it contains 37.5 grams of the parent isotope? So to solve this problem, we're going to want to fill out the chart, and so it starts at 0 for age in millions of years. And then there's 0 number of half-lives, and then there is the proportion of parent is 1 to 0, and then the percentage is 100%, and then 0%, and then the parent measure is 600 grams, and the daughter measure is 0 grams. And so then the age for the first half-life is 25 million years, and then 1 half-life, and so the proportion is half and half, and the percentage is 50% to 50%. The parent measure is 300 grams, and the daughter measure is also 300 grams. And then on to the next row, it'll be 50 for a million of years. There's been 2 half-lives. This is 1/8 or 1/4 to 3/4. This is 25%. This is 75%. Then this is 150 grams. And then this is 450 grams. And then for the next row, this will be 75 million years. The number of half-lives is 3. This is 1/8. This is 7/8. This is 12.5%. This is 87.5%. So then for the next row, it'll be 75 million years. Then there'll be 3 half-lives. The proportion of parent is 1/8. The proportion of daughter is 7/8. The percentage of parent is 12.5%. The percent of daughter is 87.5%. The parent measure is 75 grams. Then the daughter measure is 525 grams. And now for the last row, the age will be 100 million years. The number of half-lives is 4. The proportion of parent is 1/16. The proportion of daughter is 15/16. The percent of parent is 6.25%. And then the percent of daughter is 93.75%. Then the parent measure is 37.5 grams. And then the daughter measure is 562.5 grams. And so then by filling out this chart, we can see that when there's 37.5 grams, it has been 100 million years, or 4 half-lives. And so our answer would just be 100 million years for there to be 37.5 grams of parent isotope left.